Okay, here we go. And this video, this video, this video is kind of review for you. This video is not in your textbook. Is not in your textbook. Okay, all the stuff from this video you might think is your textbook Unit 2. It is not. Unit 2 is adjectives, 형용사. Unit 2 is 형용사. Okay, this video is different. This video is about grammar. Well, Unit 2 is about grammar also. 형용사, grammar. But this video is basically a review to help you, totally to help you, hopefully, to understand really the next video. Okay? This video is about using the present continuous. 현재 진행형. This video is present continuous. It is not in the textbook, but it will help you to understand the next video. The next video will be using the past continuous. 과거 진행형. Okay. 2 weeks from now, about 2 weeks from now, something, final exam, I guess, then you will need it. Okay. Unit 9, I'm doing Unit 9. Okay. Probably, I don't know. Probably Unit 9 will be the last. Okay. And then you do the final exam. Should be about 2 weeks. Okay. But again, this video is not in a textbook. There's no page for you to look at. So it's just this video to look at. But this video is kind of not on the exam. It's the next one, 2 weeks, the exam. Okay. Anything else here? No. Next one. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, whenever it is. Okay, this one is, okay, grammar time. Okay, teaching conversation, I usually do not like teaching grammar, not much grammar, only the bare essentials. But in this case, the present continuous and the present progressive, okay, in this chapter, in here, using am, using is, using are, plus ing. Okay, I am, he, she, it is, we, you, they are, plus 동사 ing. Okay, 동사 같이 ing 그래요. Okay, it's the present continuous. Okay, 한국말로 현재 진행형. Okay, this little note, present continuous equals present progressive. Some textbooks, they will still show present progressive. Okay, present continuous, present progressive, it's the same thing at this level. Okay, but continue means, you know, if you're doing something now and you probably always will do whatever. Okay, progressive is you do it now and plus you kind of always will. Okay, progressive is more, it's talking about the future more, okay, than the continuous. The continuous is like, yeah, I'm doing it, yeah. But progressive is, yeah, I'm doing it. And in the future, I'm doing it. But, okay, I want to forget that. It's present continuous. Okay, but if you ever see present progressive, it means the same. Okay, so I am ing, he, she, it is ing, we, you, they are ing, he, I'm studying now, or I'm not studying now, he is studying now. She is studying now. It is studying now. The class, it. We are, yakja. We are yakja. We're eating dinner. You are yakja. You're eating dinner with us. They are yakja. They're eating chicken for dinner. Okay, and look at the photos. Match a sentence with it. They're riding. They're riding and laughing in the car. Mom with the daughter. Okay, there. Okay, next one. The guy exercising. He is. He's exercising in his bedroom. Okay, notice this sentence and the Santa Claus sentence. He is. Okay, it says he, namja. He's exercising in his. Okay, he's and his, definitely different. Okay, but some people, not just Korean, some people will try to use the same thing. His exercising in his bedroom, or he's exercising in his bed. No. It's different. Okay, and Santa Claus photo. He's checking his list. Or he's checking his good and bad list. Okay? He is checking. 동사 plus ing. Okay? Okay. Grammar. Okay, I hate grammar. I don't like grammar. If you ever notice, I don't know, Korean students, Japanese students, they always know much more grammar rules and stuff than American students. Okay, 진짜. Okay, American students, Americans, they can speak and use the English language all day long, no problem. But grammar rules, many Americans don't know it. Okay, because the older days they never taught it. Okay. But here, okay, here's just something short, okay? Again, using the present continuous, 현재 진행형, okay? I am, 약자, I'm. He is, 약자, he's, not his, he's. 다시, he is, 약자, he's. 다음에, she is, 약자, she's. Okay? It is. 약자, it's. Okay? 다음에, we are. We are. 약자, we're. Weird. Okay? We are. 약자, we're. Okay? You are. 약자, you're. Okay? They are. 약자, they're. They are. 약자, they're. Okay, now 다시. You are and they are. Do you know the other misunderstood words? Spell Y-O-U-R. Y-O-U-R. Your car is nice. Your car is nice. Okay, sounds the same. Your car sounds the same as you are, 약자, your. Okay, and do. They are, 약자, their. Okay, your parents, their car is nice. Okay, their, T-H-E-I-R. Pronunciation is the same. They are, 약자, their car is nice. Their. And then T-H-E-R-E. Togi. T-H-E-R-E. They are, 약자, their. Togi, their. Exact same pronunciation. So, 조심해. Okay, the little doggy photo. The dogs wearing. Okay, the dog is wearing. The dog is, 약자, dogs wearing. Be careful. It's not the dog's glasses. Okay, the dog's sunglasses. The dog is wearing sunglasses. Okay, Tashi, they're riding and laughing in the car. He's exercising. And Santa, he's checking. Okay, he is. He is. Okay, okay, okay. Ooh. Again, here we are using present continuous. Okay, present continuous. Okay, here I labeled it using the present continuous to inform, to tell about something. Okay, a lot of English conversation is about telling a story or describing something or talking about the past. Okay, we're not doing past, we're doing now. What's happening now? Have you ever watched a live basketball game, a live soccer game, a live any game, okay, live tennis game? If you describe to your friend what's happening in the tennis, the soccer game, whatever, okay, you're going to be using present continuous, okay? They are, the players are, the players are, the player is, 동사 ing, okay? That's the present continuous. I am watching a tennis match right now, okay? The game is long, okay? The game is going long, okay? All the players are getting tired, okay? Maybe, okay? You're describing what's happening now. Think about a sports game, any sports game. You're watching it live action now, okay? That's the present continuous, okay? This is how you have to use it. I'm, ing, is, ing, are, ing, is. Is usually one, 한개, 한 명. Okay, you're talking about one person, or you're using the he, she, it, is. Okay, my mom is something, ing. Okay, here, look at the picture. The friends are sitting together. They are all talking in the living room. What's happening? Look at the picture. What's happening now? What's happening in the picture now? Okay, all of it. Julie is holding a Pepsi can. Look at her hand. Okay, Julia is wearing a nice blue jeans. Okay, Doug is resting his legs on the coffee table, which is impolite. Okay, when you go to your friend's house, your friend's parents' house, do you put your feet up on the furniture? Well, think in America, North America, most people, they wear their shoes in the house. You put your shoes on the table? Very impolite. Okay, they are sitting together. She is holding a Pepsi can. He is resting his legs. Okay, and making questions. Well, we'll get to that a little bit later. But here's a couple examples, just as good. Where, what, who, why, 5W1H. 5W1H. Who, what, where, when, why, how. Again, present continuous. Look at the picture, describe the picture. What do you think is happening? What do you think is happening? Okay, what's happening now in the picture? Okay, yeah, the picture might have been taken 10 years ago, but the picture is showing what now? Okay, is now. Okay, is 동사 ing. Okay, in the photo, he is 약자, he's researching and preparing, 준비, ing. Okay, he's researching and preparing his homework report. Maybe, I don't know. Is that a library? Is that the office? I don't know. Tame, the books are sitting behind the monitor. Behind. 뒤에? Behind, remember? The other week? The books, 많이 있어요. 많이 있어요. are, 펴요. Okay. He's researching, 다시. He's researching and preparing. 몇 명. In the photo, 몇 명. 한 명. He is. 한 개. Okay, 다음에 dog picture. The dog is playing frisbee. Usually at the college, the pet science students, they play with the dog. They teach the dog, go fetch the frisbee. Go chase the frisbee. Go catch the frisbee. The dog is playing frisbee. Okay, yeah. The dog, it is playing frisbee. Okay, it's a dog. Okay, it, 동물, it, 사용해요. It is playing frisbee. It's watching the frisbee. Okay, it is, 약자. It's watching the frisbee. It's watching the frisbee getting ready to jump. Okay, yeah. You ever play frisbee with your dog? Yeah, of course. Yeah. And look at the picture. Look at the family picture here. What are they doing? What are they doing? Okay. What? Okay, this video right here. Same question. Eventually you're going to make in this video. 다시 질문. What are they doing? What? 5W1H word what? What are they? They, 많이 사람. What are they doing? Okay, present continuous. Are doing. Okay, but here, make the sentence first. Make a regular sentence. Okay, these are not questions. 질문 이거 아닙니다. Okay, these are just sentences. 문장. Examples. Okay, here's the examples. Mother, use, computer. Using these words, 문장 만드세요. The. Okay, start the sentence with the. The mother is using a computer. 다음에 example. Father, not use computer. Okay, present continuous. The father isn't using a computer. Okay, start the sentence with the. Okay, the mother, the father. Father, 몇 명, 몇 개. The mother, 몇 명, 몇 개. I don't know. Okay, the, 사용해요. Okay, most of these sentences, except the last, they. Okay, just about all of these, almost all of these sentences, 문장 시작, the. Okay, 시작. Number one, daughter, use, smartphone. Okay, the daughter is using a smartphone. A smartphone. Okay, what's the difference between the daughter and a smartphone? Why not the smartphone? Because in the world there's many smartphones. Many smartphones. Okay, we're not talking about a specific. Okay, yeah, in the picture there's only one smartphone, but we're talking about what she is doing. Okay, daughter. Why the daughter? The daughter, because we're looking at this picture. We're looking at only one daughter. One daughter. The daughter. The, 필요해요. Okay? The daughter is using a smartphone. Don't say the smartphone. That's Konglishy. Okay? Next one. Okay? The son is sitting on the father. The son, the father. Okay, there's only one father here. There's only one son here. The son. The father. Next one. The mother is not eating. The mother, yakja, isn't. ISN apostrophe T. The mother isn't eating. The mother is not eating. Over there. Tame, the daughter is sitting between. 가운데. The mother and father. The daughter. 여기 사진. One daughter, one mother, one father. The mother and father. Okay. The daughter is sitting between the mother and father. Tame, the father is not singing. Okay. The father is not singing. Tame, the plants are not. I'm sorry. The plants are sitting on the shelf. Okay. The plants are sitting on the shelf. The mother is smiling. Smiling. Smile. 명사 있어요. Here 동사 사용해. The father and daughter are not smiling. Smelling? Smiling. The father and daughter are not, yakja, aren't smiling. Okay, you do the last two. And 질문만 주세요. Making questions with the present continuous. Okay, this is easy. Once you look at it, this is easy. Okay, making questions and using the present continuous is easy. Take the sentence. Okay, we're using sentences from the slides, from the photos in this video. Okay, the dog is playing frisbee. Okay, remember? The dog is playing frisbee. Change the subject, the dog, and the verb. Switch around, change around. Change this, swap around. Okay, the dog is. Well, change it around, change it. Is the dog playing frisbee? Okay, your intonation, how you say it also. 다시 문장. The dog is playing frisbee. 질문. Is the dog playing frisbee? Okay. 다음에. The dog. It's watching the frisbee. Okay, change the subject. It. Yeah, it's the dog. Change the subject, it, and the verb, is. Okay, 다시 문장. It's watching the frisbee. Is it watching? Is it watching? Okay, watching the frisbee. 문장입니다. Watching the frisbee. 질문. 질문입니다. 질문. Yeah. In the question, in the sentence, both of them it's using watching the frisbee. Okay. In the question, is it watching the frisbee? 다음에, the books. 많이. The books are sitting behind the monitor. Behind. 뒤에. Okay, change books and are. The books are sitting. Are the books sitting? Okay. 질문입니다. 질문. Okay. The question. Are the books sitting behind the monitor? And 마지막 here. He's researching and preparing his homework report. He's researching and preparing. Okay, here's two verbs. Both of them ing. It's still present continuous. He's just doing two verbs. Okay. He is researching and preparing. 질문입니까? Is he researching and preparing? Okay. Yeah, see? Oh, man, this is easy. Let's go to sleep. And here we go, making questions from the same photo. We made sentences, okay? Present continuous. Make questions with the present continuous about the family. Okay, there's one mother, one son, one daughter, one mother. Okay, the daughter is using a smartphone. 질문 어떻게? The daughter is. 바꿔요. Is the daughter using a smartphone? Okay. Change around. The daughter is. Is the daughter? Okay. Now when you make all these questions, remember, any 99% of am, is, and are 질문. 90% of am, is, and are questions are always 대답 yes or 대답 no. Okay? Am, is, are questions are always answered yes or no. Or maybe, or possibly, but basically, am, is, and are 질문. 항상 대답 yes and no 입니다. Okay? Okay. 다음에 the son is sitting on the father. 질문만 주세요. Is the son? Okay, look at the sentences again. The daughter is using a smartphone. 질문에 using a smartphone. 똑같아요. 다음에 the son is sitting on the father. Sitting on the father. 똑같아요. 문장에 질문에 똑같아요. Okay? 다음에 the mother isn't eating. Okay, here isn't 질문에 못해요. Okay. Is the mother? Isn't the mother eating? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I'm sleeping. Isn't the mother eating? So, isn't, 괜찮아. Isn't the mother eating? No, she isn't. Yes, she is. Okay. Well, maybe later she will be. Okay. 다시. 대답 yes. 대답 no. Well, maybe later she is. That's a yes answer, basically. Okay. 다음에 the daughter is sitting between the mother and father. Is the daughter sitting? 다음에 the father is not singing. Isn't the father singing? 영어로 질문에 is not the father singing? That's very extremely polite. We usually do not. Is not the father singing? Okay. Isn't the father singing? The plants are sitting. Are the plants sitting? The father and son are. Are the father and son using the iPad? The mother is smiling. Is the mother smiling? 다음에 they're all sitting. There they are. 약자. Are they all sitting? Are they all sitting? The son and daughter are not. Aren't the son and daughter talking? Okay. Bye-bye. And again, make questions with the present continuous and 5W1H words. 5W1H words 뭐예요? Who, what, where, when, why, how many, how often? Okay. 5W. Who, what, where, when, why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1H is generally taught how, but there's also many how questions. But it's still called 5W1H. 시작. Who is playing frisbee? Okay, take one sentence, almost one sentence, and make all kinds of 5W1H questions. Okay. Who is playing frisbee? Well, the dog is playing frisbee with his owner. Okay. Who? The dog and the owner. Okay. Who? Where? Why? When? Okay. 5W1H words. Who, what, where, when, why, how is not. 대답. Yes. No. 아닙니다. 조심해. Okay. Is the dog playing frisbee? Yes. No. Okay. But who, what, where, when, this is 진짜, 영어, 외화. Okay. Ask who, ask where, ask why, ask what, when, how often. That's your conversation. Okay, okay. Where, 다음에, where, 어디. Okay, who, 누구, what, 무슨, where, 어디, when, 언제, why, 왜, how, 어떻게, how many, 몇 개. Okay. Where is the dog playing frisbee? Playing in the park. Where? Why is the dog running in the park? Well, the dog's trying to catch the frisbee. When is the dog going home? Well, when it gets dark. When it gets lunchtime or dinner time. I don't know. What is the dog eating that gives him so much energy? I don't know. Choriton, maybe. No. How is the dog jumping so high? How often? Omanatadu. How often is the dog playing frisbee? Almost every day, or at least every weekend. Okay, how often? Omanatadu. How many times? How many times is the dog running back and forth to catch it? Catch the frisbee. It. Okay. Using any one sentence, you can become many, many different questions. Okay. 5W1H. Become English speaker. That's English conversation. Who, what, where, when, why, how. Okay. Oh, yay. And using 5W1H words, make questions about the family now. Okay, we did it about the dog. So now, who, what, where, when, why, how, about the family. Okay, yes, notice, you can't use why in every question. You cannot use where in every question. You cannot use how often in every question. Okay, just yanzup. Okay, example, is the mother using a computer? 5W1H, why? Why is is the mother using a computer? That's the basic question. The basic question is the mother using a computer? Well, conversation, hey, why is the mother using a computer? Okay, well, build your conversation. 다음에, Papa, isn't the father using a computer? Why isn't the father using a computer? Okay. Yep. 다음에, is the daughter using a smartphone? Where is the daughter using the smartphone? She's in the park. She's at the football game. She doesn't want to watch football. She wants to play with the smartphone. I don't know. 다음에, is the son sitting on the father? Well, how often is the son sitting on the father? Always. Okay. 다시 using 5W1H Date up, yes and no, moteo. Okay? But am, is, are, 질문 시작. Date up, yes. No. Okay? Isn't the mother eating? Where? Why? When? How often? Okay, what? Is the daughter sitting between? How often? Why? Where? I don't know. Isn't the father singing? Why isn't he singing? Are the plants sitting on the shelf? How are the plants sitting on the shelf? It's just a small shelf. I don't know. How often are the father and son using an iPad? How often are the father and son using the iPad? Oh, the iPad, because there's two people. There's two people using one thing. Okay. But the daughter, there's one person using one thing. Okay. That's why the. And the question, the kind of question you're asking also. Tell me, aren't the father and daughter smiling? Why aren't the father and daughter smiling? They're mad at mom. Okay? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 또 있어요. 숙제 출석부. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the other slide, there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know. Just try to write an answer. Finish them. Okay? Okay. See you next video. See you in a couple weeks. Hasta mañana.